Welcome to our Life is Abundant album kit and card kit introduction video. Shari Filamahala here to show you what we're going to do with these amazing papers. So we have two different kits. One you can see here, our card kit. We are going to teach you how to create these fun stair-step cards. These are by Carla La Vera, and you can see she's really utilizing those papers and maximizing how gorgeous and fun they are. So with the kit, you can create 6 cards and 6 envelopes. And then with our album kit, Carla La Vera did this one as well. In this one, we're gonna have a mini album duo, and then to go along with that, we're gonna create this fun album caddy. It holds both the albums, one in the front and one in the back. And we're gonna create all of that using some chipboard sheets. You're gonna get these items here in your card kit, and let me walk you through what you're gonna get. Life is Abundant ephemera assortment. The Life is Abundant tags and frames. This is a newer item for us. You get 34 assorted pieces in there. You can see some really fun frames and tag pieces. And this is on a nice cardstock. Of course, the Life is Abundant button that comes exclusively with this card kit. The 8x8 collection pack. You get 24 double-sided sheets in there, 2 for each month. The black square cards. You get 6 envelopes and 6 card bases that are a nice 100-pound weight. And then the project sheet that has all the step-by-step directions to create 3 of those 6 cards. And then with those same instructions, you can create the other 3 just using your leftover. Starting with our card number 1. Look at this fun envelope. We're using this Life is Abundant banner. You've got this great mushroom ephemera assortment here, a frame, and then this opens up to reveal this fun, colorful inside. So this is perfect for a March birthday or anniversary celebration, thinking of you in March. But of course, if the person that you're giving this to, their birthday is not in March, you could always cover this up with a different ephemera assortment, maybe a sentiment, happy birthday, and then a great spot here for writing in your card. Our card number 2, card 3. This one's perfect for our founder and head designer, Diane. Her birthday's in September. So cute, you gotta love that sunflower. Our card 4, Be Here Now. This would be a great I miss you card. You can find the photos of each of these, the printable project sheet, and the link on where you can buy these kits as well. So of course, that's G45’s.com. We'd love to hear in the comments which is your favorite of the 6 cards. So let us know. Watch me put together this card on the Life is Abundant card kit tutorial and walkthrough video. To create these 2 albums and this caddy, you're gonna need to pick up the Life is Abundant album kit. It's gonna come with an exclusive button. You're gonna get these bronze binding rings. You get 4 of those. Of course, the project sheet with step-by-step directions, the 12x12 collection pack. This one comes complete with a 12x12 sticker sheet. Let me give you a taste of this Life is Abundant 12x12 collection pack. You're gonna get 2 of each of these sheets. There's 1 for each month, where you can see there's a lot of great cut aparts on the A side, and the B side is just rich with those gorgeous patterns and decorative foliage, stripes. The 12x12 patterns and solids. The patterns and solids for Life is Abundant is a little special. We've added a little something extra in this pack for you. So you can see it's got all of those beautiful, vivid colors. These are great for adding your photo mats and whatnot. But then we also added these fantastic calendar pages. You're gonna get 10 30-point medium weight black chipboard sheets. and of course the Graphic 45 zip top bag to store all your goodies in. So the project sheet is going to first have you create this amazing album stand or caddy. I love this for hosting and your albums, of course, but this is also going to be a great tutorial to teach you how to make a desktop organizer. Now this Life is Abundant album duo set, so much fun. The first one you're going to create for the first 6 months of the year, and the second is for the latter 6. And you can see there's going to be so many great opportunities for really documenting the year as it unfolds. So first up, you've got a great space in the front here, and then this is our January page to kick things off with 2 great spots there for photos. Of course, you could always put a photo here too. It'd be cute to put a round photo, or you could even put in a square photo to fill this space in here. Back here, we've got our January calendar, a great space for you to write any important dates. We've got a little pocket for another photo mat. Over here, we have this great DIY pocket page, so the best is yet to come. This could also be a great spot for a photo, or leave that sentiment there. And then you've got this 6x4 photo mat that just slides right into this gorgeous pocket. Flip this over, and another large space for photos. So that's just 1 month, and then it's all going to repeat that same template. So we've got February here. What we think we become. We'd love to hear how you're going to be utilizing this super fun album duo. Let us know in the comments. One of the other lovely things about this collection is just all the inspirational quotes, just really making this year, it's going to be so much fun and memorable. So I'm thinking this would be a really fun birthday album where you could store all of your birthday information and take photos of your loved ones and add them in here for each of the months. You could also use this as a kind of a goal planner album, marking out your goals for the year and just listing how you go through those. Maybe you're like me and you love baking. You could be putting in some of your favorite recipes that you've created throughout the year. As the year unfolds, really making the most of this album. So that is our first 6 months, and the second one just repeats. So now we've got our July through December. More great spaces for all those photos. So once you are done creating those, you can just slide in your albums into your album stand and have a gorgeous home decor piece. Have you noticed this gorgeous background that I've been using on my videos lately? It is our Graphic 45 silicone mat. It's 24 inches by 16 inches. It is not yet available on our website, but for subscribers who subscribe to both our album kit and our card kit, you'll be getting those for free as a thank you from Graphic 45 early summer for 2024. So if you're not yet a combo subscriber, you can go ahead and do that on our website at g45papers.com. And then early summer, we'll be sending out these complimentary silicone craft mats. Of course, they will be available on our website to purchase at that time as well. And they are so much fun. They're great for photo backgrounds, video backgrounds, of course, but they're also great for crafting and going to be great for your non-stick surface. So it's great to clean up, use your inks, use your liquid adhesives on, and keep your tables looking nice and pristine. So what are you waiting for? Go over there to our website, pick up these kits, and create along with us. We can't wait to see your projects, so be sure to share those with us on Facebook or Instagram by tagging Graphic45. We thank you for watching this video, and as always, happy paper crafting.